Which came first, the chicken or the egg? This age-old question may never be answered, but one thing is for sure, every day, billions of eggs and millions of tons of chicken are produced, processed, and served around the world. From a hot omelette on the breakfast table to a golden, crispy fried chicken for dinner, poultry has become a mainstay of modern agriculture and culinary culture. But have you ever wondered, how do factories produce such huge quantities of eggs and meat? Today, let's explore the world of modern poultry farming, where billions of eggs and countless tons of chicken are born every day. In the past, poultry farming was simple but inefficient. Chickens were raised in small flocks in backyards. Eggs were harvested by hand, and meat production was limited to local markets. Today, the story is very different. More than 1.4 trillion eggs are produced worldwide each year, with China alone accounting for nearly 35% of the global supply. The United States, India, Japan, and the European Union follow closely behind, fueling an industry that provides affordable protein to billions of people. At the same time, chicken has become the most consumed animal protein on Earth, surpassing pork and beef, with global production reaching more than 137 million tons per year. One of the most significant changes in recent years has been the rise of free-range poultry farming. Unlike conventional barn systems, where hens are confined in small spaces, free-range farms allow birds access to open pasture during the day. This not only improves animal welfare, but also reduces stress and allows chickens to express natural behaviors such as scratching, pecking, and dust bathing. Studies have shown that eggs from free-range hens often contain higher levels of vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, while the chickens themselves remain healthier due to less exposure to pathogens. In countries such as Australia, the United States, and the Netherlands, free-range systems are growing rapidly, supported by consumer demand for more ethical and sustainable food options. The journey begins with incubation. Carefully selected, high-quality breeding eggs are placed in automated incubators. Inside these machines, temperature and humidity are controlled with incredible precision, around 37 degrees Celsius and 55 to 60% humidity, to mimic the natural temperature of a mother hen. Incubators turn the eggs several times a day to ensure even development, and after 21 days, the chicks peck through their shells to begin life. After hatching, chicks are moved to specialized poultry houses designed to maximize their comfort. Each facility is equipped with automatic feeders, water systems, and climate control technology that regulates ventilation, cooling, and waste management. Before the chicks arrive, the houses are completely disinfected to minimize the risk of disease. Large-scale farms can house up to 100,000 chickens in a cycle, and within just 18 weeks, hens begin laying eggs at an astonishing rate. A single hen can produce nearly 300 eggs per year, meaning a commercial farm can produce hundreds of thousands of eggs per day. Automatic conveyor belts collect eggs directly from the nesting area without human contact, ensuring hygiene and efficiency. Globally, automated farms are capable of producing and processing 200,000 to 500,000 eggs per day, an output that would take a single person centuries to consume. From the farm, eggs are transported to processing facilities, where they undergo rigorous inspection. Handling systems use LED lights or digital imaging to detect cracks, impurities, and fertilization, eliminating any eggs that do not meet standards. In the United States, regulations require eggs to be washed and disinfected to remove dirt and bacteria. In contrast, European countries prohibit egg washing, instead relying on strict hygiene procedures during production to preserve the egg's natural protective cuticle. Regardless of the method, eggs are sorted by weight and size, then packed into cartons with QR codes that can track their origin, expiration date, and brand information. In cold storage rooms maintained at temperatures between 10 and 15 degrees Celsius, eggs are kept fresh before being shipped to supermarkets and kitchens around the world. But eggs are just one aspect of the poultry industry. Chicken meat production is equally impressive. More than 74 billion chickens are raised for meat each year, supplying a global market worth more than $250 billion. At processing plants, humane methods are prioritized to minimize stress and preserve meat quality. First, chickens are briefly rested before being carefully stunned with low voltage or gas. Automated rail systems transport them through each stage of production, from blanching in warm water to plucking with rubber-fingered feather pluckers. Advanced scanners and inspectors ensure that only chickens that meet strict standards continue down the line. The state-of-the-art facility is a marvel of efficiency. Precision cutting machines can process up to 20,000 wings, 15,000 thighs, or 12,000 whole chickens per hour, each piece separated with remarkable uniformity. Breast meat is filleted using automated systems to maintain tenderness and juiciness, while thighs and wings are sorted for different markets. From there, the meat can be packaged fresh or processed into popular products such as chicken nuggets, patties, and ready-to-eat fried chicken. Now that you've seen the billions of eggs and millions of tons of chicken meat produced each year, what do you think? Are you amazed by the sheer scale? Or are you in awe of the technology behind it all? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the world of poultry farming, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more stories.